top looking down, Elysium, spaced out visions and decisions on these drums. I'm flowing, crazy when I'm flowing. Get it up, turn it up, don't know where I'm going.
And welcome back, guys. Bearded Wonder here with the Ace Legendary ACR crew. Sorry it's been so long since I've said that. Took a month off, get the mental state ready. It's been hard, but it's good to be back. Nice to see all you guys, and hello new subscribers. But anyways, today we're here to finally tell you how I installed this graphic card sideways, upside down, and backwards. What I did is first I went and I cut the back out, as you see here, and I removed that section right out so I could put a new bracket that I took from my spare PC case. I just cut the I/O port right out and I slid it right in place, and I mounted it the way I did originally, was right side up. Instead, I decided to turn it upside down, because the other side's boring. It's just fans. The only thing RGB is the actual gigabyte symbol. For me, I'd rather see the whole beauty, so I mounted her backwards and upside down sideways, so you actually get that center view of this nice V1tech RGB Goku backplate. And I remembered in the last video you didn't get to hear me very well, nor did I say things well, but it came with some little rubber grabby feet, like sticky pads. They stick on there, or you can stick them on the magnets and stick it onto your card. For me, I went and got some 3M, not sponsored, double-sided automotive tape, and I stuck it all the way around the edges and stuck it on there, so it's really got a good grip. But yeah, they work really well. Mounting it upside down wasn't too hard. Just have to cut the case out right and figure out how you're going to bend the bracket just right. You might be able to get your generic bracket offline that they sell to put them vertical. You might be able to engineer it to make it backwards. Everything's a little different. Every PC case is built a little different. They're generically the same, but they got a little different task to it. But for now, guys, hopefully you enjoyed this. We're going to hit that sweet B-roll again, let it run through, and hope you guys had a good time. And as usual, guys, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon down below so you stay up to date on our tasty fresh content. Until next time, guys, have a good one, and see you later.
Charge!